National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Key County in northern Oklahoma, eastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Noble County in northern Oklahoma,
Looks like it's about a few, checking about 10 or 15 miles away from Oklahoma City.
6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
The new
from 3
severe
miles
thunderstorm
northeast
warning
of
has
Billings
currently
to 1 mile
updated
southwest of Calumet,
over
moving
Idaho,
east at 40 miles an hour.
Memphis, Tennessee.
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
We're just
roofs,
about a mile away from Oklahoma City.
Locations impacted include northwestern Oklahoma City, western Edmond, Stillwater, El Reno, Guthrie, Perry, Kingfisher, Yukon, War Acres, The Village, Piedmont, Nichols Hills.
The severe thunderstorm warning is just about to hit Oklahoma City in the next few minutes.
For the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.